Today we're going to solve more problems involving operations and functions. We will also solve some questions sent to us by Ivy Rose, an 11th grade student from the Philippines. Given the functions f of x is equal to 3x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3, find the following: f plus g of x, g minus f of x, f times g of x, g divided by f of x, f compose g of x, and g compose f of x. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. For this problem, the first function f of x is equal to 3x minus 3, and the second function g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Question number 1. F plus g of x means we need to do f of x plus g of x. And we substitute f of x. Our f of x is 3x minus 3. Our g of x, x squared plus 2x minus 3, so we just substitute it. And then we combine like terms beginning with the highest power. So we have x squared. And we can combine 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, negative 3 and negative 3, that is negative 6. So the answer for f plus g of x is x squared plus 5x minus 6. Question number 2. G minus f of x. For this problem, the first function is a g. So we will begin with g of x, and then we will subtract the f of x. The g of x in this problem is x squared plus 2x minus 3. And our f of x is 3x minus 3. So minus parentheses 3x minus 3. Now we need to distribute first the negative. So we will copy x squared plus 2x minus 3 and distribute the negative. So we have negative 3x, and be careful, the negative 3 becomes now plus 3. Combining like terms, x squared first. We can combine 2x and minus 3x, that's negative 1x, or simply write negative x. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0, so we have x squared minus x as the answer for g minus f of x. Question number 3 is finding the product of f and g. So this means we need to do f of x multiplied by the g of x. Our f of x is 3x minus 3. We need to multiply this by the g of x, and that is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So first we will distribute the 3x. 3x times x squared, that is 3x cubed. 3x times 2x, that's 6x squared. 3x times negative 3, that is negative 9x. Now we need to distribute the negative 3. Negative 3 times x squared is minus 3x squared. Negative 3 times 2x, that's negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Now we need to simplify this further. So we have 3x cubed is alone. 6x squared and negative 3x squared, that's plus 3x squared. Negative 9x and negative 6x, that is negative 15x. And the constant 9 is alone. So the answer for this product problem is 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus 15x plus 9. Question number 4 is finding the quotient of g of x and f of x. So here we will do g of x divided by f of x. Our g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 3. And our f of x is 3x minus 3. Now we need to simplify this by factoring both numerator and denominator. What do you think are the factors of x squared plus 2x minus 3? In factoring these general quadratics, we need to find factors of negative 3 that will give us a sum of positive 2. And that is positive 3 times negative 1. So we will have positive 3 and negative 1 because 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 plus negative 1 is positive 2. So we have x plus 3 and we have x minus 1. For the denominator 3x minus 3, we need to find the GCF or the greatest common factor. The GCF here is 3, so we have x minus 1. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. What do you notice in this factored form? We have x minus 1 on the numerator and x minus 1 on the denominator. So we can simplify x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, that is equal to 1. So the final answer is x plus 3 over 3. Take note, you cannot simplify here 3 divided by 3 because x plus 3 here is a whole thing. Questions 5 and 6 involves composition of functions. Question number 5, f circle g means we need to do f of g of x. Our first function here is f, so we will write down first the f of x, and that is 3x minus 3. Now, we will substitute the g of x into our x. So now we will replace the x with our g of x. And our g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now we need to do distributive property. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 2x, we have 6x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 3. Simplifying this, we have 3x squared plus 6x. Combining negative 9 and negative 3, that is negative 12. So the answer is 3x squared plus 6x minus 12. Question number 6 is the composition of g of x and f of x. So this problem is the same thing as g of f of x. So we will write first the g of x, and our g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now we will replace all the x's with the f of x. And our f of x is 3x minus 3. So you write down 3x minus 3 to the second power plus 2 times 3x minus 3 minus 3. Simplifying this further, we need to square 3x minus 3. Square the first term 3x, that's 9x squared. Multiply 3x and negative 3 and then double. We have negative 18x. Square the second term negative 3, that's plus 9. Now we need to distribute the 2. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 3, we have negative 6. And then write down minus 3. Combining like terms, we have 9x squared. We can combine negative 18x and 6x. That's negative 12x. 9, negative 6, and negative 3. That becomes 0. So the answer is 9x squared minus 12x. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.